Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JD. You know, we back at it like an addict, no rehab. You know, I'm addicted to giving you guys advice. So we on our way to Maaco. I couldn't find the matching color hood for this Pontiac. So and Wilson, like he said, he was just finished packing up his shop. So he said he might be able to do a little bit more work, but he really, you know, the way he was kind of talking, it was kind of like he was just like. He wants, like, he will probably do it, but you know, it's, you know, you can kind of tell, like, he's had enough with it. So, you know, he's just packing it back, basically just packing it all in, shutting it all down. So we're gonna go to Maaco. They said they can paint the hood. I talked to Paul. He said about 100 to 150, just depending on how it looks. So it doesn't look that bad. I mean, and then trying to go find this hood at the salvage yard and stuff like that, and then I have to pull it and use my time and stuff like that. So I say it probably equals out to the same $100, you know, because if I went to go pull it and a hood at the salvage yard is like $60-70, you know, then plus it took my time. You know, this takes time too, because I have to go drop it off to Paul and stuff like that. But we back on the grind. I need to quit slacking. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm gonna do my best to get back on my early grind when I was dropping videos every single day. You know, 8 to 10 minute videos every single day. You know, I just hate the Copart. Like the thing that was good is like Copart used to have some good stuff out there, but now people don't even, like, Copart still doing business and stuff, but I don't really mess with Copart. And then Lucky, he don't go out to Copart, so it's like, I mean, I know those videos still, you know, do good, because I see other people still, like, do Copart. Like, you know, I watch some auto auction rebuilds, some of his videos here and there. You know, I touch up on some of his videos, TKs. You know, I watch other car YouTubers, but like my thing is I don't try to watch them too often, because I feel like if you start watching somebody too much, then your content starts to mimicking theirs, and I don't want my content to like mimic theirs. So, you know, that's why I watch some videos here and there, because, you know, that's, you know, it's people that tends to happen. You know, you watch, because you start watching videos like, his video like that got a lot of views, so how about I make a video like that? Oh, that video like that one got a lot of views, how about I make a video like that? That video like that one, and then, you know, you just start getting it, and then you start comparing and stuff like that. And I don't compare myself to nobody. I stay in my own lane. I'm creating my own lane. I'm doing everything. But yeah, we're about to run this down here to Maaco. First thing first, happy Monday. Let's go ahead and hit that 4,000 subscribers mark, man. Let's go ahead and hit it. You know, we like this close, so y'all might as well just go ahead and sub if you're watching. You know, we're gonna just show you how this hood look. We'll do the before, and then I'm just talk a little bit. Y'all see the before. We're gonna go ahead and talk to Paul, and then tomorrow I'm gonna make a video comparing, like, because people ask me like, which one do I like better, ACV or backlight? So I'll make a video, kind of making a little video tomorrow, breaking down on like which one I like better. And then I might pick back up on how to get your dealer's license videos in the state. I have to probably go back there and look at what state I haven't done yet. But if you're watching this video, and if there's a state that you live in and you want me to do how to get your dealer's license in, that could be my Wednesday or Thursday video, depending on how quick this car gets done. Because here they just painting the hood, so I'm gonna just see how quickly the turnaround is. Today is Monday. This video is dropping Monday. Like my videos, like when I record them, and like drop them the same day. Like I don't, like most people record a lot of content. Like I like to just record my content and just drop it that same day, you know, and just move on, you know. Because I could just record a lot of videos, but I did get my GoPro I bought a new GoPro. I had bought the first GoPro, gave that one away. Then I bought my second GoPro. I gave that one to my nephew because he's into videography, and that's what he graduated in. So I ended up giving that GoPro to him So, and then me, I like to just record and just drop, because then I have to go, because when I start recording too many videos and they don't like tend to go together, then I have to find, like, put this video with that video, this video, that video. And me, I don't like to edit. Maybe I need to learn how to edit. I am going to take that course up in digital marketing, just because I feel like that's a skill that I need to acquire. I need to acquire more skills, so I want to go get certified in a lot of other stuff. So the grind is real. The grind is real, man. So I gotta grind. I gotta grind harder than what I'm doing. You know, I feel like my grind has been taking, like, I just been kind of just taking it easy. You know, like when things are going good, people tend to just like let their foot off the gas. But you know, another year, I'm another year older, wiser, and stuff like that. So keep my foot on the gas, see how it may go. Woo, yeah. So paint this hood down for me. It's at 135. So get it right. I ain't about to worry about. I'm not worried about that. We're not about to be doing all that. I'm not worried about that. Cause I mean, if I was gonna do that, then I might as well just paint the whole. If I was on, cause when you start talking like doing that and stuff like that, you might as well just paint the whole car. You might as well just paint the whole car. Yeah, when they start doing like that, you know, you ain't worried about all that. Just get my hood straight, that I can overcome that. That ain't nothing. You know, that's good tires. When I seen it, I was like, dang, is that Lux truck? Looked like it. But I forgot, I think Luck put some different wheels. I was like, dang, did he take the wheels off and bring it back and had to touch it up? That's a nice truck there. Nice little truck. Got the old school. Somebody got the Monte Carlo over here. Somebody got the Monte Carlo with the scoop hood. Like I said, appreciate everybody for tuning in. If you haven't already, like this video. I'll see y'all tomorrow. I'm out. Peace.